Hello and what's up guys, this is Krishim again. In today's video we are gonna see the syntax of Java and we are gonna practice the print statement. Basically in Java you do have three print statement, that is print, println and printf. Basically printf is not taught to you in the school, and if you are from a background where you have learned C, so printf you might be knowing. It's also known as print format. So let's say it. So let's get started. First of all, let's create a new class. This is the main class. Do not touch it. Here you need this package.company and do not touch this also. Instead of this, let's close it. And here you have to come where? It will be like this. You have to come on Java practice, src. Here you have to right click new Java class. And I'm giving this as name as kn_01 enter. Okay. So let me increase the size. See, this is public class kn01. This is public access specifier class. We are gonna create a class. It is showing that, and it is my class name. Let's create a main method. Let's create a main method like this. Also you can create, and this bracket will be confusing for you, but erase them and you can do it like this also. There will be no effect on your program. Okay, now let's do one thing. Okay, let's understand this. This is public, again the access specifier. This is static type memory. Void is the return type. Main is the main method or name of your method, and string arg is the argument, that is string. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, let's differentiate between print and println. Let's differentiate between both of them. So for that, let's write a program. I'll not explain it theoretically, it will be very boring actually. First of all, let's write a program in print hello, and here let's write one more in println. Both are in println. Okay, word. Following the custom of programmers, writing the first program as as hello world. And let's run it. How you're gonna run it? By clicking right click and run button. After that you can click on this button also, run button. Here when first time you have to run it like this only, otherwise previous file will be going for compilation. See, this is the simple output which you're seeing here also and here also. Now let's play with it. Let's change this. This will not affect, because here print statement, it will not affect. I'm telling you why it will not affect. Wait a bit. See, it doesn't have any effect on the program, but as soon as we change this one, how is it going to affect our program? It is gonna combine both of them. Let's see this. Okay, see, they both came in single line. So what does this ln denote? This ln tells that the next output which you are gonna give will be coming in the next line. Okay, जो आप दूसरा आउटपुट दोगे वो दूसरी लाइन पे आएगा. This shows, or this is shown by ln. Okay, now let's go to our first program. I guess this is clear to you. Very easy topic, you might have understood in your class. Okay, first program is create a name chit. What is a name chit? Which you apply on your books, or your front pages of your book. That is only a name chit. So let's create it. First of all, system.out.print we will use here. Here it will be name. Okay, let me make this more clear to you. What does it contains? Let's clear this. What does it contain? Name, class, roll number, and your school's name. Okay, so let's write it out, and here let's write name. Why I'm using print, you will get to know when the program execute, once the program execute. Okay, here let's write name. Okay, let me give it my name only. Krishav Negi. Okay. After that, one more print statement, not println. Here class, I'm sorry, class let me give it class 9th. After that, one more print statement we'll be using, and let me write here now what we are gonna write is roll number. Roll number. And now what we are gonna write the roll number, let me give it 30. After that, the last thing that I'm gonna print here is my school's name, double inverted comma, not single inverted. Okay. Now many of you might be thinking that why I'm doing this much long method. Some of you would be having some small method, that also I will show you. But I'm doing this long method as it will make you clear or differentiate between print and println. Okay. Now let's run it. Let's see what's the output. See, I'm sorry, let me comment it out. Let's see what's the output again. See, the output is name Krishav Negi. And now you can see that after name there is not next line space, but after Krishav Negi there is next line space. That is due to println statement. Okay, that's why I use it. You can just simply do it like this also, but that will not help you to differentiate between print and println statement. You can just simply print it like this also. This will be also easy. Everything you can do. Then you don't need this one statements. In a single line also you can print them, but that will be not helpful to you. Actually, I wanna say this to you, and this method will help you to clear your doubts between print and println statements. Now let's comment it out, because I'm gonna give you the source code. You can check the link in description. Okay, so let's create another program. That is going to be second program, print biodata, creating a biodata rather. I'm sorry, creating, creating the bio data. Now what does your biodata consist of, or will be consist of? Will be name, not the roll number this time actually, father's name, date of birth, blood group. This time I'm gonna give you fake entities. Okay, so Aadhaar number also you can consider, and this much will be enough, I guess. Okay, what does this happen? Aadhaar number. Okay, there it is, it's present. I thought this bracket I missed. So let's create it. How to create it? Simple step again. This is a very simple step. You just need to, I think you can change the size. Yeah, its size also you can change by simply doing this. Okay, see. And now let's use print again for the first time. Actually this print statement is very easy, so for this one I'm not going to give you several exercises, only 2 to 3 are. Okay, this will be our last exercise or program of the day, and if you need to practice more, I'll give you a homework for that. Okay, so let's write it name. Again the longer one method I prefer. Let's write it, what is his name? His name is Ravi N. Ravi N is his name. Very great name is it. Then we will use print. After that, father, father's name. So out println, his father's name is f dot name. He's also having great name. Then here south. Then here what comes? Here comes the date of birth. Now let's see what's his date of birth. It will be also a very interesting date of birth. And so what it will be? It will be XX/XX/XXXX. Okay, this is the date of birth. Now let's give here the blood group. Let's give it here. What is the blood group? B positive. Always B positive. One more print statement, and here we are gonna give. Oh, what happened? There was a wrong key press. I pressed the wrong control. I pressed 2 times, so it will come. Run anything, run a command or configure. This will come. Okay. See, now here it's print statement, and here it is Aadhaar number. Let's print the Aadhaar number also. Now let's write it not like this. It's basically like this, I guess. 6 digit. It's off now. Yes. See, now we have all the database. Let's compile it, interpret it, and finally run it. See, name Ravi, and okay, see, we got the desired output. How we got? Now it will be very clear to you. Now the third exercise is a homework for you, and that I'm gonna answer in that blog. I'll give you the answer, or here only I'll show you the answer. Okay, let me show it to you here only. But the homework is print 5 sentence why you like why you are learning Java. Okay, print not 5. Yeah, 5 will be very much. I'll make this question tricky, and you have to print only 2 sentences. Very easy. And how you have to print? Word by word. Word by word. You have to print word by word. It is your homework. It is your homework. See, and you have to comment it below the output, or the answer. You have to comment of this one, and you will be given shout out in the next video if it will be right. How you have to print? Let me tell you. Means I am not telling you the answer, but what does I mean by word is, you have to print, like for example, I love Java because it is fast. So I will write it I. Then again, okay, let me make it comment, otherwise you all will check out the answer. See, how you have to print is, you have to print, I'm writing South here because that means system.out.print or println, that I don't know. Then here you have to write I. Then next line, again the print statement, then love. Then next line, again the print statement, then Java. You have to print why you love it. These 2 sentences you have to make. Why you are learning it, actually that sentence you would make. And after the first sentence is over, the next sentence should be in next line, and the first sentence, all the words should be in first line only. This should be your output. Okay, and from here I'll cut the video. I'll show you the output, what output you should get. Okay, let me show you in this comment only. It's very easy. The output should be sentence 1 and I'm sorry for the caps locks, sentence 2. This should be your output, and this, the word of sentence 1 and sentence 2 should be in same line. So practice this at home, do this for sure, and comment it if you got the right answer, and you'll get this whole source code in the blog post. You can check it out in the description. और आज के लिए बस इतना है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर करना ना भूलना। कल आ रही है अगली वीडियो, दैट इज अबाउट डेटा टाइप्स। बाय।